Now we will check this Leetcode problem, decode the message. Uh, okay, so if we go by the problem, we are given a key and we are given a message and we want to decode it. Now, how do we get the uh, decoded message? What we have to do is we have to assign each character to the small uh, uh, to its small case English alphabets from A to Z, and these are all small case letters. If you see the constraints, uh, the constraints will contain English alphabets between A to Z at least once. So there will be minimum 26 characters, but that can be around to 1000 characters, and so characters can be repeated. Okay, so if we see the example, T over here will represent A. See, T over here will represent A. If it's this, H represents B, E represents C. Now space needs to be ignored. The next character is Q. So Q will represent D because it is followed by C. So now in this uh, question, we are given key and we are given message. So we need to decode this message. So the approach that I have taken is first we can create a map of which can store all the keys and its equivalent values. So values will be calculated based on this alphabetic characters. Now why I'm using map? Because let's say if a character is repeated somewhere in the future, so let's say T is repeated somewhere over here. Then if it is a map, then we would not add items to that map, and we would know that okay, T is representing A. So that way our map will have all the sets of characters from A to Z. Also, okay. So first, let me create a map. So let me create a map. Let's say it's const map equal to new map. It will contain string and string key and its value. Okay. So now I need to iterate through the key. So let's say for let I equal to 0, I less than key dot length, and I plus plus. Now I have to add each characters of the key to the map and its corresponding value. Okay. So what we can do is we can have, and we know that all the small letters from A to Z have ASCII codes from 97 to 122. So we can use this. So that constant uh, we can call it offset equal to 97. So 97 is our SC character A. So what will we do is we'll take the first character from the key and then assign its alphabetic value A, and then the next time so we will be able to increment it. Okay, but before that let me check whether this key exists in the map. So if map.has key of I, no, it should not exist. If I have to add any character, then it should not exist. Okay, and it should not be space. So my characters in the key should be between A to Z. How can I do that? I can get its uh, character code. Each key is character code. So let's say code equal to key of I dot from char code of 0. Uh, I need to check what is the whether it is um, char code from, or is it string. This is the method of string from char code of key of I. Okay, let me just Google this from char code JavaScript. Okay.